Hello students, this is Dr. Nisha Vikas Varade, Department of Zoology, Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akola, Maharashtra. Today I am here with yet another topic called nucleus. Under this topic, we will see the electron microscopic structure and functions of nucleus.
Nucleus, as a cell organelle, was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1833. A synonym word for this organelle is the Greek word karyon. The nucleus can be called as the controlling center of the cell since it contains the chromosomes and the genes which ultimately controls all the activities of an individual cell. Generally, there is a single nucleus per cell. They are known as mononucleate cells. But more than one nucleus can be found in certain cells and they are known as polynucleated cells. There are variations with respect to the shape of the nucleus also. It may be spherical, oval to flattened lobe or irregular in shape. In most of the cases, it has a regular outline but may also have an irregular outline. The size of the nucleus would also vary not only depending upon the type of cell involved but also according to the activity of the cell. The nucleus will be larger in an active cell but will be smaller in a resting cell. A nucleus has been described as having four important parts, namely nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and chromatin matter. The nuclear boundary of interphase and prophase nuclei is called nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope, which usually breaks down at the end of prophase. It is actually a mechanical boundary between nucleoplasm and cytoplasm and functions to facilitate the regulation of nucleocytoplasmic interactions. The envelope consists of a double membrane having two unit membranes. The space between these two unit membranes varies in width and is known as peri-nuclear space. The outer membrane is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. This membrane is not continuous but interrupted by octagonal pores. These pores provide direct contact between nucleus and cytoplasm. The regulation of the active opening and closing of the pores allow the escape of mRNA, which is synthesized in the nucleus and then reaches the cytoplasm for protein synthesis. The second part of nucleus is the nucleoplasm. The space between the nuclear membrane and nucleolus is filled by a transparent semi-liquid watery substance known as nucleoplasm or karyolymph. The nucleoplasm contains dissolved phosphorus, ribose sugars, proteins, nucleotides and nucleic acids. The nucleoplasm contains certain thread-like elongated structures known as chromatin. The next part of nucleus is the nucleolus. In higher organisms, every cell nucleus has a spherical colloidal body called nucleolus. The nucleolus is associated with a particular nucleolar organizing chromosome. A special region in this chromosome is known as the nucleolar organizing region, to which usually the nucleolus is found attached. The nucleolus mainly consists of RNA, acidic dyes, basic dyes, phospholipids, alkaline phosphatase, and nucleolar DNA. There are at least three components present in the nucleolus. First is granula, second is fibrils, and third is an amorphous matrix surrounding granula and fibrils. Although various functions have been assigned to the nucleolus, presently it is believed that the most important function of the nucleolus is the synthesis of ribosomal RNA, that is rRNA. The last part of the nucleus is the chromatin matter. The interphase nucleus has a loose and indistinct network of nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin. But during different stages of cell division, it forms rod-like structures called as chromosomes. Chromatin contains DNA and some basic proteins called histones, some non-histone proteins and also RNA. A single human cell has approximately 2-meter long thread of DNA distributed among its 46 chromosomes. Now we will see about the different functions of nucleus. Nucleus controls all the other cell organelles and is an essential and integral part of the eukaryotic cell. It stores genetic information required for the growth and development of organism. It transfers all the genetic information to the next generation. It also controls all the metabolism and other activities through the formation of enzymes. With this, we will stop over here. Thank you very much.